Chevy's full-size truck has been a segment staple for decades, but the current generation is showing its age against fierce competition from Ford and Ram. Now, the all-new 2026 Silverado is about to change that with major improvements across the board. If you're in the market for a new truck, you might want to hold off on buying the current model, because the 2026 Chevrolet Silverado is worth waiting for these 8 huge reasons. Number 8. All-new design. The 2026 Silverado brings a completely reimagined exterior design that makes the current model look instantly outdated. The front end features new jagged LED headlights that cut sharply into the design, giving the truck a more intimidating presence on the road. The grille is bigger, more upright, and more prominent, taking direct inspiration from Chevy's heavy-duty models. Around back, Chevy has ditched the old dual exhaust for a sportier quad-tip design that announces this truck's performance credentials. The entire package is designed to turn heads with a tougher, meaner appearance that perfectly matches its capabilities. New wheel designs complete the transformation, making this Silverado look substantial and powerful from every angle. While the overall silhouette remains recognizable, the details make all the difference. With this redesign, Chevy is making a statement that it's done playing it safe with styling. This truck demands attention. Number 7. Hybrid option coming. While Chevy is keeping its beloved V8s alive, it's also looking to the future with the addition of plug-in hybrid options for the 2026 Silverado. This new powertrain will offer the perfect blend of performance and efficiency, giving buyers yet another compelling option. Details are still limited, but industry insiders suggest the hybrid system will likely pair with one of Chevy's smaller displacement engines to deliver V8-level power with significantly better fuel economy. The plug-in capability is expected to offer a useful all-electric range for daily commuting, potentially making this the most fuel-efficient full-size truck in Chevy's history. What's particularly exciting is that this won't be a compromised powertrain. Chevy engineers are focusing on ensuring the hybrid system delivers the capability truck buyers demand while adding the benefit of improved efficiency. Towing capacity is expected to remain competitive with conventional powertrains, making this a true truck-first hybrid rather than just a fuel economy play. With fuel prices always a concern and increasing pressure to reduce emissions, the addition of a serious hybrid option makes waiting for the 2026 model a smart move for forward-thinking truck buyers. Number 6. V8 rules. While many manufacturers are abandoning traditional V8 engines in favor of smaller turbocharged options, Chevy is doubling down on what truck buyers love by keeping its legendary V8 engines alive in the 2026 Silverado. Both the 5.3-liter and 6.2-liter small block V8s return, bringing that unmistakable sound and character that many truck enthusiasts refuse to give up. These aren't outdated power plants either. Both V8s will receive updates for 2026, maintaining their impressive durability while delivering more power and improved efficiency. For buyers who want something different, the base 2.7-liter turbocharged 4-cylinder also returns with plenty of punch, and the 3.0-liter inline-6 Duramax diesel continues to offer nearly 500 pound-feet of torque and class-leading fuel economy. But the most exciting powertrain news is what's coming for performance enthusiasts. Chevrolet is finally preparing to challenge the Ford Raptor R with a high-performance off-road variant featuring a supercharged 6.2-liter V8 that could produce between 650 and 700 horsepower. This would be the most powerful production Silverado ever created and gives performance truck buyers a serious reason to wait for the 2026 model. Number 5. Improved ride quality. Building on the truck's architecture with significant updates, Chevy engineers went back to fundamentals. They've implemented sophisticated damping technology that reads and responds to road conditions instantaneously, absorbing harsh impacts while maintaining composure through corners. The result is a truck that glides over rough pavement and washboard gravel with equal poise. The steering system has been completely recalibrated too, finding that sweet spot between highway stability and parking lot maneuverability. Where the outgoing model sometimes felt disconnected from the road, the 2026 Silverado provides drivers with genuine feedback that inspires confidence, whether empty or fully loaded. This chassis refinement pays dividends beyond comfort. The more rigid structure allows for increased payload ratings and greater towing stability, especially in crosswind situations. For contractors who live in their trucks and families who travel long distances with trailers, this improvement in ride quality is much more than just nice to have. Number 4. Tech upgrades. The 2026 Silverado's technology suite is designed for truck owners who need digital tools that enhance their everyday experience. Chevy has completely reimagined how drivers interact with their vehicles, creating systems that work intuitively when you need them and fade into the background when you don't. The centerpiece is an intelligent interface that adapts to your preferences over time. Unlike competitor systems that overwhelm with complexity, the Silverado's digital environment prioritizes quick access to essential functions, while learning your habits to anticipate needs before they arise. Whether adjusting climate settings or selecting the perfect towing mode, everything is accessible within seconds. Perhaps most impressive is the integration of GM's Highway Driving Assistant, which transforms long-distance travel. The system handles steering, braking, and acceleration on mapped highways across North America, allowing drivers to arrive at destinations less fatigued while maintaining ultimate control when desired. Connectivity extends beyond the dashboard with thoughtful placement of power delivery options throughout the cabin and bed. Multiple high-output USB ports, integrated wireless charging pads, and strategically placed 120-volt outlets transform the truck into a mobile workspace capable of powering everything from laptops to job site tools. For professionals and adventurers alike, this comprehensive technology integration creates genuine value that justifies waiting for the new generation. Number 3. Trail dominance across every price point. Starting with the accessible Trail Boss variants, Chevy delivers meaningful capability with thoughtful upgrades like increased ground clearance, terrain-specific drive modes, and underbody shielding that protects critical components. In other words, even entry-level off-road Silverados come ready to venture places most stock trucks wouldn't dare. The ZR2 trim elevates performance to an entirely new level for 2026. The upgraded suspension system features position-sensitive damping technology that delivers remarkable articulation through rough terrain while maintaining precise control at speed. Technology developed through Chevy's Desert Racing program. Paired with next-generation electronic locking differentials and 33-inch all-terrain rubber, the ZR2 transforms challenging trails into Sunday drives. For the ultimate in backcountry dominance, Chevy is preparing something extraordinary, a high-performance off-road flagship with unprecedented muscle. Rumors point to a specialized variant packing a force-fed V8 delivering well over 600 horsepower, paired with desert-tuned suspension and extreme-duty components designed to absorb punishment at high speeds across brutal terrain. This isn't just Chevy keeping pace with competitors. It's a statement that they're ready to lead this segment in capability that performs as impressively as it looks. Number 2. Hybrid on the way. While traditional powertrains remain the backbone of the 2026 Silverado lineup, Chevy is quietly preparing a revolution with its first serious electrification strategy for full-size trucks. Unlike competitors' half-hearted attempts at hybridization, Chevrolet's approach centers on enhancing capability rather than simply chasing fuel economy numbers. Engineers are developing an intelligent powertrain that combines instant electric torque with traditional engine power, delivering acceleration that outperforms conventional V8s, while maintaining the sustained power delivery that truck owners demand for towing and hauling. What separates this system from earlier truck hybridization attempts is its genuine utility. The substantial battery pack provides meaningful electric-only range, enough for most daily commutes and job site operations, while functioning seamlessly with the combustion engine for extended journeys without range anxiety. Perhaps most impressively, the hybrid components add minimal weight, thanks to clever packaging that maintains ground clearance and approach angles. For buyers concerned about long-term ownership costs, this powertrain option presents a compelling value proposition. Beyond the obvious fuel savings, the regenerative braking system reduces wear on conventional brakes, while the electric components are designed for the full service life of the vehicle with minimal maintenance. This isn't just about being greener, It's about delivering a smarter, more capable truck that saves money throughout its lifetime. Number 1. Better value. While competitors continue pushing into luxury territory with eye-watering sticker prices, Chevy will once again find its place between advancement and affordability. The value equation begins with the redistribution of features across the lineup. Where the outgoing model reserved essential equipment for expensive trims, the 2026 Silverado democratizes technology and comfort, bringing previously premium features to every price point. Even work-focused base models receive significant upgrades to materials, technology interfaces, and driver assistance systems, all while maintaining a starting MSRP that undercuts key rivals by thousands. Mid-range trims showcase Chevy's value philosophy most dramatically. By carefully analyzing how truck owners actually use their vehicles, engineers prioritized high-impact features while eliminating costly gimmicks, creating configurations that deliver genuine utility at prices that respect working people's budgets. This isn't about cutting corners. It's about intelligent allocation of resources where they matter most. Perhaps most compelling is a long-term ownership picture. The 2026 Silverado's improved structural integrity, higher-grade interior materials, and more efficient powertrains all contribute to substantially better residual values projected by industry analysts. Combined with Chevy's commitment to reasonable maintenance costs, the total ownership equation makes waiting for the next generation a financially prudent choice for value-conscious buyers who plan to keep their trucks for years or want stronger trade-in values down the road. As you may presume, Silverado's more upscale corporate twin is getting a full redesign as well. Check out this video about the 2026 GMC Sierra you can now see on the screen. It seems like some competitors are losing sleep because of the upgrades it's about to bring. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.